Check it out. It's another episode of Crapshoot Creations. Hey everybody, today we're going to be just working with three colors, our prime colors. Yellow, blue, and red. Fuchsia red, alpine blue, bright yellow. We're going to be doing some pleating, and we've also got a swirl to do. So sit back and check this out with this three colors, red, yellow, blue. So here you go, I laid down the bright yellow on the swirl and on the pleated. Now you got to decide what do you want to put next to the yellow. If you put the blue next to the yellow, you're going to get green. And if you put the red next to the yellow, you're going to get orange. So we're going to go with the blue first. And what we're going to do is lay the blue over top our yellow just a little bit, and we'll get a green. Then we'll get the blue. When we put the red here, we'll get the purple and the orange. So let's lay down some blue. Now as you can see here, I laid the blue on top of the yellow, which made the green. Now I'm going to put the red down. It's going to make purple here and orange up here. So I laid down the fuchsia red. As I said, we got an orange going on here. We got a purple going on here. Now you can flip this over and repeat it, or you can add something special which you'll see at the end of the video. So now we're going to move over to the pleated here. We got the yellow. We still have to decide whether we want to go with the red or the blue. I decided we're going to go with the red because we're going to go red to make orange, to have red, and then blue to make purple, then to have green again. You'll see it all come together. Three simple colors, blue, yellow, and red. Okay, as you can see here, yellow, red, and blue. Got the orange going on, the purple. Mix the yellow and the blue to make the green. And as you notice, we lined the shirts out. They're going to be close to the same, but we laid them all in order, so if they do touch the colors, you're not going to mix and mess up the shirt. I mean, it's tie-dye. It's really nothing to worry about. But basically, we're just going to keep on going through the colors again. Yellow, we're going to go back to the fuchsia red, and so on till it's done, and then we'll flip it over. Three colors. Yellow, red, and blue. Prime colors. And here you have it, the prime colors. Yellow, red, and blue. As you can see, you get the green, and you get the purple. Green, purple. And you noticed here's a helpful tip whenever you're using multicolor, especially on a pleated shirt. You want to go in order. Always set your bottles in order. If I was doing 10 colors, I'd have 10 bottles lined up here. Go right in order. So it mixes and matches when you're going to flip it over now. So let's move on to the back side. So here we are on the back side. Here's the pleated and here's our swirl. We flipped them over. We could actually just leave it like this. Wrap it in the plastic for 24 hours, wash it out. It'd be an awesome design. But this is a customer shirt, and he paid for the dye. We go all the way. You want it rich, full colors? Make sure you dye the backside. Some people will try to rip the customer off and just put black over top of this, which is okay. I mean, it comes out great. But if you want awesomeness, you want it awesome, rich colors, redo the colors on the backside. And then we're just using prime colors here. So it don't cost that much. It's going to come out to be a classic tie-dye shirt. So I'm going to go through the colors again, lay them on the back side, and I'll be back just before I lay down the black. So here you go. We're done with the back side. We put the black. Here's the spiral one. And we decided just to put one on the pleated one, and we're going to leave the other two plain. So when we do the washout, you can actually see the difference. Now if you didn't have black, you could actually put silver on there. Gold on there. Switch it up. Be creative. So we'll wrap these in plastic. Wait 24 hours. And we'll see you out at the wash table. So here we are out at the wash bay with our prime colors. Here's our prime colors. Red, yellow, and blue to make purple, green, and orange. And these over here are the ones we put the black on. Spiral. So let's open it up and check out the difference. Here's the spiral with the prime colors. Yellow, red, and blue make green, purple, orange. Black on the back. Let's check it out. After we wash this one out, we'll put them in the washer, hot wash cycle, then 2 cold cycles. Into the hot dryer. Start off with the one without the black. What we'll do, open up, show you the difference. When you add black, you can add silver, bronze, gold. Do whatever you want. We'll wash this out with the hose on the wash table, put it into the washer. Right here's the one without black. And here's the one with black. If you use black, you shouldn't really let it sit too long, a day, not more than 2-3 days, because then you lose some of the other color. Like here, you can see the yellow disappeared. But it's tie-dye. What are you going to do? Here's the one with the black. So we got the one with the black. And we have the one with no black. Prime colors with black. You decide. Hey, so thanks for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe and hit the like button and leave a comment. Until next time, this is Crapshoot Creations. Peace, love, and tie-dye. Bye-bye.